What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome and happy 400 subscribers to me. I am super excited. Thank you so much for everybody that keeps on subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. I know I haven't been posting as often, but trust me, guys, I'm working on it. I'm currently in the middle of trying to get licensed, so I've been studying a lot, so I apologize, but I am going to be making more videos. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for the continuous support. And yeah, so in today's video I am bringing you these super cute light blue long extra long nails. I know everybody's not into super long nails, but I am, and I figured why not show you guys how I make these. So I'm not gonna chat too much. You guys know the usual. If you enjoyed this look and enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button before you exit out the video. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. It is free, you guys. And of course, go ahead and hit that notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified anytime I post. And of course, share. Let's get to the video. If you guys hear me sniffling, I am so sorry. I'm having really bad allergies today, but I'm going to be using my Valentino Beauty Pure base coat first before anything. And this is how it looks with the base coat. And after that, I'm going in with Macart, and this gel polish is number 1055. I believe I made a video on this. If I did, I'll link it up above. If not, then I'll make one soon and swatch these beautiful spring colors. But first I'm going to start off with my pinky. So this was kind of a free set. I kind of sketched something on a notebook. I didn't like it, so I just ended up freehanding this nail design. Everything that I did use, I will be linking down below. These nail charms are actually from Shein, so like I said, I will link everything down below. After picking up my charms, I'm going in with my Macart rhinestone glue, and I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing those nail charms on. So the middle one, I wanted it to be a little slanted, so it was a little hard because it was bigger than the nail. I should have put the charms on another nail, but it ended up working out. Now moving on to my middle finger, I'm going to be using the same color, which is 1055, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of create an ombre. So I'm not the greatest at ombres, period, with acrylic or gel polishes, but I have been watching a lot of YouTube videos of other nail techs doing this little trick. So basically, you know, you put half of one color and half of the other, and then you just kind of bring up the nude a little bit with a blending brush. This blending brush, I don't remember where I got it from, but if I do find it, I will leave it down below. And as you can see, it's not the greatest ombre, but it's okay because I'm putting this giant nail charm in the middle. And this nail charm is also from Shein. I will link it down below. It did not come with the wheel with the other charms. I had just put it in there. These come alone in a pack of 10. They're super cute. So I will link them down below. Now moving on to my index finger, I'm going to be using, I believe this is called mylar paper. I'm not too sure. I am totally the worst, guys. I'm so sorry. But yes, I'm going to be going in with my index finger. So to lay these down, I am going to use my base coat, and I only put a few strips because I wasn't sure how it was going to look like. And I actually didn't record it because I did it really fast, but I did go in with my Valentino Beauty Pure 136 glitter acrylic. You'll see it at the end, hopefully. Moving on now to my ring finger. Again, I'm going to be using that same blue 1055 from the cart. And for my ring finger, I decided to do some chrome. I don't use chrome often, only because I want to get some different colored chromes. This is just like your regular silver holographic, however you want to call it, powder, which is still really cute. But I definitely want to get some more colors. It definitely came out really good. I would suggest to get a chrome top coat though, because I used my regular Valentino Beauty Pure top coat and it was like very sticky. And last but not least, we are going to be moving on to the thumb, and I'm going to be using the same blue 1055. And I wasn't sure what to do on the thumb, so I went ahead and put some little flower petals that I had from Shein and also some flat back pearls, and actually came together pretty well. And here you have it, guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little cute freestyle creation that I came up with. So I wanted to ask you guys, are you guys enjoying these shorter videos? I know some people like to watch longer videos and like show everything in detail. I figured these shorter videos would have been easier, but please let me know in the comments below any suggestions, anything that you guys want to see. Please let me know. I'm more than glad to do any type of videos that you guys want to see. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this creation. If you did, like I said in the beginning, make sure to hit that like button. Do not forget to hit that red subscribe button. It is free and it will help my channel grow, which means I will be putting out more content, better content. And of course, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post. And of course, share, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Again, thank you so much for the 400 subscribers, and hopefully we get 400 more. Thank you so much as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.